Have you ever seen those incredible AI-generated images floating around and thought, wow, I wish I could make something like that, but I bet it costs a fortune or needs a super powerful computer? Well, guess what? You're about to be pleasantly surprised. Today, we're busting that myth wide open. I'm going to show you 5 text-to-image generators that are 100% free. Yes, you heard that right. No hidden fees, no sneaky subscriptions, just pure creative power at your fingertips. Let's dive in and unlock your inner AI artist. Kicking off our list is Leonardo AI. This platform is a powerhouse, and it's surprisingly generous with its free tier. What makes it awesome? You get daily tokens to generate images, which replenish every 24 hours. That means consistent access to creation. It offers a ton of control, from choosing different AI models like the powerful Stable Diffusion to fine-tuning settings for specific styles. The community feed is packed with inspiration. You can even see the prompts others use to create their art, which is fantastic for learning. Whether you're looking for photorealistic landscapes, stylized characters, or abstract art, Leonardo AI can handle it. It's truly a top contender for free image generation. Moving on to Mage Space. This one is another fantastic option for truly free and unlimited AI image generation. What's great about Mage Space? It boasts a very user-friendly interface, making it easy to jump in and start generating images right away. You often get access to a wide variety of Stable Diffusion models and styles. It's designed for speed and simplicity, letting you generate multiple images quickly. If you're looking for a straightforward, no-frills experience with powerful results, Mage Space is definitely one to check out. It's a great tool for quick iterations and experimenting with different ideas. Up next is Playground AI. This platform offers a generous free tier that's perfect for anyone serious about exploring AI art without a budget. Why is Playground AI a must-try? You get a massive number of free daily generations, often up to 80 generations, making it virtually unlimited for most users. It integrates popular models like Stable Diffusion XL, ensuring high-quality outputs. Beyond just generation, it offers editing tools right in the platform, like background removal and upscaling, which is super convenient. They also have a fantastic community where you can see what others are creating and learn from their prompts. Playground AI is a really comprehensive free solution, offering both quantity and quality for your AI art journey. Next up, we have OpenAI's Sora. Now, most people know Sora for its groundbreaking text-to-video capabilities, but here's the exciting part. You can absolutely leverage Sora's underlying image generation prowess 100% free. How? OpenAI has been integrating Sora's powerful visual generation into the free ChatGPT experience with daily limits. What makes Sora a game-changer, even for image generation, when accessed for free? Deep understanding of the world. Leveraging its robust training, Sora can generate images that show a nuanced understanding of real-world physics, lighting, and how objects interact, leading to incredibly realistic results. Unmatched realism and detail. Sora excels at generating photorealistic images with stunning detail, accurate textures, and impressive lighting effects, pushing the boundaries of what free tools can achieve. Consistent elements. Even if trained on video, its ability to maintain consistency across frames translates to incredibly coherent and high-quality still images. If you're chasing that ultra-realistic look and want to tap into some of OpenAI's most advanced visual AI for free, keep an eye on how Sora's capabilities are integrated into ChatGPT, Copilot, and Bing Image Creator. It's truly pushing the envelope for free image generation. And last, but certainly not least, we have Bing Image Creator, powered by OpenAI's DALL-E. This one is super accessible if you have a Microsoft account. Here's why Bing Image Creator is awesome. It's incredibly simple to use. Just type your prompt, hit generate, and watch the magic happen. It gives you daily boosts for faster generations, and even after you run out of boosts, you can still generate images at a slightly slower pace. The quality, thanks to DALL-E, is often excellent, especially for photorealistic and stylistic images. If you want a no-fuss, high-quality image generator that's integrated with a platform you might already use, Bing Image Creator is an absolute winner. So there you have it. 5 incredible text-to-image generators that are 100% free and ready for you to unleash your creativity. You absolutely do not need to spend a fortune to get started with AI art. I encourage you to try them all. Each one has its unique strengths, and you might find one that perfectly suits your style and needs. experiment with different prompts, explore the settings, and just have fun creating. Which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. If you want to know how this viral baby podcasts are made, you can watch this video. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials on making the most of AI for your creative projects. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.